After paying for a package lesson, you're gonna receive an email from Wise One, something like this. And it says here, you may use your coupon, your code to book a class. So now let's try to book a class. Let's book a class by using DEU space 6:4. Let's book a class using that code. So here, tutors, and choose your tutor. So we book Teacher Nobi, book a lesson. Then check the time. If the time is compatible with your time, change it. If not, but since my time is okay, I'll just let it there. Now, what I need to do is I need to choose a lesson that I want to take. I want to take the Tagalog class. Okay, so here, select. Then next is I'm gonna choose what day. So February 8th, February 9th, February 10th, February 11th, February 12th, and what time I'd like to take classes. Let's say I want to take class on February 9, 9 a.m. The next is I need to enter my name. I'm Wise One, then my email, then my cell phone number. Next is I agree. B1. Okay. Next is we need to pay. But since we are already paid, instead of clicking here, we're going to enter the promo code here. So the promo code is, okay, then now apply promo code. And now total discount 500, total amount to be paid is 0. So our code is pretty useful. Now let's confirm. Ta-da! Payment received. And now you have your appointment ready. That's it.